Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable incoming call protection on your Google Pixel. This feature helps filter out spam calls automatically so you won't be bothered by unwanted callers anymore. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your phone app or call app on your Pixel. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls, and it's usually found on your home screen or app drawer. Once the app opens, look at the upper left corner of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This will open a side menu with various options for managing your calls and settings. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for your phone app, including privacy and spam protection features. Now scroll through the settings until you find Caller ID and Spam. Tap on it to access the spam filtering options. This is where you can control how your phone handles suspicious or unwanted calls. Next, you'll see a toggle button labeled Filter Spam Calls. Tap this toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, this feature will automatically screen incoming calls and block those identified as spam so they won't even ring through to you. This is the main protection layer that keeps annoying robocalls and scam attempts away from your phone. After enabling that, go back to the previous screen. Now tap the gear icon to open up your device settings. This takes you to the main system settings of your Pixel where you can adjust device-wide configurations. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lets you manage all the applications installed on your phone, including which apps handle specific tasks like calls and messages. Once you're in the Apps section, tap on Default Apps. This option allows you to set which apps are used by default for certain actions such as browsing, messaging, or identifying callers. Now tap on Caller ID and Spam app. This setting determines which app is responsible for identifying incoming callers and filtering spam. It's important to make sure the right app is selected here so your spam protection works correctly. Finally, tap the radio button next to Phone. This ensures that your Google Phone app is set as the default for caller ID and spam protection, which means all the filtering features you just enabled will be fully active. And that's it. You've successfully enabled incoming call protection on your Google Pixel, and your phone will now automatically filter out spam calls to keep your call log clean and your phone quieter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.